Hey guys, this is Justin Figueroa with Thrust Flight, and today we'll be talking about how to master your first takeoff. So how do we take off? So first, let's get ourselves on the runway. We smoothly get on. We line up with the line. There's several lines, but we want to get the one on the middle. As soon as we get the one on the middle, we line our plane up. It is straight and it's ready to go. We advance smoothly on the power. As we advance smoothly on the power, we're making sure while we're going forward, our feet are on the floor, right? Bases of our feet are on the floor, and we're checking, making sure all of our instruments are working properly. As we're going forward, we're also making sure we say airspeed alive, right? And what does that exactly mean, right? The airspeed's alive? Oh no, not that. No, it's actually meaning that now the instruments are actually working, the air is going and hitting the instruments that we need to show what kind of speed we actually have going forward. So as we say that, we're making sure to go to our recommended speed for takeoff. As we roll forward, we wait for that speed and we have our hand on the power while we pull up with our opposite hand, and we slowly, and I say slowly, please do slowly and smoothly pull up as we get to that recommended speed to be able to lift off the aircraft and fly out. And that's how you take off and make sure you have the certain pitch up while we take off out of the runway, because we don't want to pitch up too much because that could lead to a stall. But we don't want to pitch too low because we do want to climb out at our best rate of climb at a VY. And that's what we call our best rate of climb. So my first experience on a takeoff from a general aviation aircraft was actually my first takeoff ever out of any plane, at a commercial and small general aviation. So my first takeoff was the most special thing ever. It was actually my first day of training. There's usually a discovery flight that comes with it before, but I decided to jump right in. And how did that come about? First thing, the instructor was like, hey, go ahead and put your hands on the controls, you're taking off today. I was totally like, no, I know how to drive a car with the steering wheel, but I don't know if I could pull up on this plane and how it's gonna get us up. It just felt so thrilling once I was able to pull back on that yoke and be able to lift off and to feel the, basically no gravity. I didn't even want to even look outside because I was like off the ground, and it was just an unbelievable feeling that you had. You have to experience it for yourself, you have to. It's a one-in-a-lifetime thing. And to get ready for it, right, my first takeoff, you got to think about, what do you have? Do you need your toothbrush? Do you need your jacket? What do you need? Do you need your cool aviation shades? What do you need? Just go take a discovery flight. Go take off for the first time and say you've done it, and maybe record it too. Put it on your GoPro. It'd be awesome. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video on how you properly take off. If y'all have any experiences, the cool uplifting action, the no gravity feeling, stories about it, please throw some comments down below. We would love to hear about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on some future videos.